So we're gonna buy some more stuff in our house. We have to buy some food, some chips, and some
vegetable.
Also carrots, cucumber, and what else?
Some fish. Some bread.
Huh?
Bread.
And some we can buy some old things in this Kaifor, and then today we're back in here in Kaifor. Today before I just go to home and watch Mystique's game. So now I am here not watching Mystique game. I am already in the video. So if you like this video, subscribe in the channel and turn on the bells. Bye!
Which one? They'll see, guys.
But in size, that one is 71 centimeters. This is 70 centimeters.
Bili kami ng malat, ha? So it's nice, this one, ha, Delcy. Cotton.
Cotton. Yes. There you go. You buy this one so that I will borrow next time. Why? Any problem?
September.
Yeah, September.
One, ano be? 149.
This one like this only?
No, you can ask, no.
You knew one, no?
Yeah, very nice.
No.
You can ask them, no? Which one? Ano tawagan ni Kajaod? Cotton? Cotton, no? Cotton. Then this plastic. May tendency pa na ano, mabasag.
This one okay or do you want to see new one?
Which one?
You ask me new one.
New one, no? We will ask. Yan na lang kinuha namin, guys. Yung Delcy. Maganda kasi. Ayan. 179. Sale siya. Nasa 200 plus siya, kaso nag-sale. Ayan. Ano nga laks? Ano nga laks? Amo manggapon, no? Right. Daming sale, guys. Sale. Hello, baby girl. Coffee. Where is that you buy, baby? Carrefour Gold. Buy 2, 4. This one.
This one, 945.
Okay, take one. Bye.
Hi guys, I am doing. See what I'm doing? See guys? Guys, see.
What?
See?
Ayan, guys. Tapos na kami mamili. Olen.
Hi.
Say hi. Okay.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Today I am here.
Where are you?
Here, sit down.
Kailan na we buy pizza? Hi, guys.
Hot, really hot.
Pizza. Bumili kami ng pizza, guys. Nabuto.
Pizzeria. Pizzeria.
Yes. Then another one. What is that? Read. Another one. Pizzeria. What? What? Shawarma. Ayan guys. Tapos na yung pizza. Kaya magbabayad na kami. Kakain na kami ng pizza.
Mama,
Ah.
you have to say we should buy me, okay?
Okay.
Hi guys, I am Shivani.
Shivani is girl class.
In the car, you fun.
Select this. Oh my god, pizza.
Guys, see?
Tamba lang po.
Guys.
Wow, pizza. Yes.
Tag-insi lang na dapat.
Ang ano?
Ang ano?
Ang ano?
Hindi bakal natin. Number. It's going now.
Len. Shoe. Hi, umbrella.
Hi, Umbrella Beach. Welcome.
Guys,
We went
Umbrella
there
Beach.
before. We literally
Mapunta
went
kasi
there
sobrang
before.
init.
Mama, come on. Ouch, your leg. Wow, I love the cloud. It's so orange.
So, oranges.
It looks like orange, like squeezy. Squeezy orange. Mama, I really love the cloud because it's orange and makes it up. It makes it like red, orange, and yellow, and makes us this.
There's no yellow, white, blue, like the orange.
Light blue.
So nice, no?
Yeah.
Look
It
at
makes
that.
it the color that like that. We went here before in camping, right?
Yeah.
And I was sleeping. I am not eating. Dada bring me home. I was sleeping. Cold.
Oh, what is that?
Ole, can I have this one, please?
No.
Guys, nandito naman kami sa Sapphire. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Sapphire again. Nagtingin kami ulit ng maleta. So, nagtingin kami ng maleta. Kasi dito kami dati bumili ng maleta namin. Dati. Oh. Huh? This one? Okay. This one, be? The black one.
It's okay also.
Ganda nito, guys. Ano?
Hmm?
Nice. The black one. You check this black one. Check this black one. That our for same like this, there is no handle, right? Yeah. Wait, Olin.
This one is little smaller. That one is little long, no?
Yeah.
I think that one will be better. But you bought black already.
No, the gray one. Ang trolley.
Black?
Trolley is black.
Trolley is black. Then you will find another one. Better this one.
For 20 kilo is okay, no?
Yeah, this one is sale or no?
99.
Okay.
We'll check later if for pasta they will parcel.
Ito na lang, guys. So, blue one? Okay.
Sorry, one I get back. Then what you buy? Then 79 have big one.
Which one?
Bad like that.
So, no need this one.
No, must be new.
I don't need to. Oh, you want trolley?
If you want like both trolley, there is one trolley there like 79. That one.
Here,
Good that one. Huh?
Abana need to buy expensive trolley.
Yeah.
They will just throw it.
That one only.
You can make storage.
This one is good. It's like it's not like a trolley. You can put anywhere. Like you want to squeeze them.
Yeah.
Like that.
You will buy this one?
Yala, take one, no?
Which one?
This one.
You take this one.
Hmm?
2020, no? You cannot put all together.
Sale, dami nilang sale guys. So, trolley.
20.
20 only, 20. You can
40
put,
kilo only, no?
yeah.
Alin?
Yala na. Kunin na lang yan guys. Let's go na, Arlene. Come on. Yan na lang kunin namin guys. No more. Huh?
Don't stay like this.
Why?
Because it have there.
Oh yeah.
The before one not have.
Not have, yes. Ulit, leave.
Mama,
No need.
Mama, come here.
No need.
Someone's been,
Leave it.
someone's been the juice.
Sabi mo kasi nila guys.
66. I think they have Paza, yeah. Because this one is small, so... I think this one.
Mami, tila na no?
Dami gimana tela kang ano,
I was
Roberto.
looking for like this.
Tapos, yeah.
Tapira? 69? 66?
It's the same, no?
Yeah.
Nice.
The ones with sort of compared.
See? There's a telephone.
Careful, ah. What is that?
Hello? My baby is executed. Okay, bye. Guys, see? You can see here? There's one of steps.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's go na decide. Tapos na kami mamili guys. Dito sa Sapir, bumili lang kami ng bag. So, pauwi na kami.